Hey guys, so I'm a clean freak. So this was right up my alley. I decided to try a couple of products. One, it's spring cleaning time and I wanted to try them. And two, with everything going on with COVID, I thought a steamer would be a nice way to do some extra cleaning because it gets hotter and, can clean more things. The other reason I started looking at this a few months ago was to try to do the grout in our downstairs bathroom because it's older and it's not that easy to clean, and I've tried a whole bunch of recipes. So we got ourselves a steam cleaner, and not the kind that you do your carpets, but this will do all kinds of other things. You can do tile, grout, showers, ovens, dishwashers, floors, furniture, your car, you name it. So that being said, you can look up a million different things on it. I'm gonna try this one. Obviously this one's mine, but and I bought it. First off, I'm gonna tell you there's no affiliation with anyone. We paid for this ourselves, so this is just an honest review of what we think. So I think I'm saying this right, McCullough. I'm pretty sure that's how it's said. Our last name's McCollar, so McCullough. We got this. We ordered this. I found the best price was on sale at Kohl's.com. And of course, buying it through Kohl's right now, we had it shipped because you can't go out shopping. So here's the deal. This was like $130 and then on sale for like $130 or $120. We used a Kohl's coupon because you get those all the time. So we got the sale Kohl's coupon. There might have been like an extra $10 off, and we got a free shipping. So all in all, this was like $100 once it was said and done, or just under. So it's pretty cool. They have different ones. This one comes with attachments, so these ones went together, and then it goes to this. And this has got 2 floor pads. Now, I don't know this yet because I haven't used it myself, and I will do some research and let you know. But there's a lot of people out there that show hacks, so you don't have to buy these more expensive ones. According to what I've seen out there, is this one you can actually sew, use a microfiber cloth if you sew, and then you make it like a little hairnet, so it goes around, and you can use that. We will be trying that and letting you know, but that's not going to be today. It's got the little fillers. It's got the squeegee to do like tile floors, shower doors. What I read says this works great on your car for getting like bugs off when they're on there and really, really hard. Gonna have to read, but this I would assume floors, countertops, stove, anything. This for the most part, from what I've seen with other ones, it's got, look at all these. And they're different kinds, different strengths. This one obviously is a metal one. And full disclosure, if you get one of these, you need to read all your safety directions. I am not responsible if you screw things up. One, this gets very hot, and two, things like this metal one, if you were to use this on your grout or your tile, it's gonna scratch it up really bad. And then this one, this is really hard, a little scrubby, okay? So it's got all this different stuff, nice long cord. The reason I picked this one, the size of the tank, and I can't remember it offhand, and it's not right here, but also you can use tap water in this. My mom had one before. You can only use distilled water, and that was kind of a pain in the butt for stuff. So make sure you read your directions. Do things like don't overfill. Make sure you wait the allotted time. Don't carry it around with really hot water. Don't let your kids use it. All that stuff you are responsible for, okay? So that being said, I'm going to read a couple of directions here just to make sure. And then I'm going to try this out. And the first thing I'm going to try it on is our sofa. We have a microfiber, say that fast 3 times, sofa that is like glue, and it's dirty. We have 3 dogs and they love the sofa when nobody's home or when they're sleeping. So it's gotten dirty, and usually I just scrub it with microfiber cloth and very, very mild detergent by hand, but this is probably going to make it simple. And then I'm going to take it around to other areas of the house and bring you with. We have a soapstone shower that you shouldn't be using chemicals on, so this should be perfect. The grout in our basement bathroom, and you know, a million other things that I can find to try it on, because to me this is like a toy and I'm gonna have fun. So join me. I will give honest reviews. Doesn't mean that that's everybody's opinion, that's just gonna be my opinion. So we'll see you later. That honestly is doing nothing but putting a bunch of water on here. So but it did nothing. Look at that. I mean, that's doing nothing more than I would have been able to do with a wet rag. So I Okay, so we just spent the last hour and a half or so, I didn't even look at the time, taking this around to different rooms and trying it, cleaning things. So here is what I tried, here's what I experienced. Now, remember, this is my experiences. I'm not saying anything about the quality of the product. I'm saying what I thought of it. So first I tried the sofa. I don't have the right accessory. I don't know if they have the right accessory for this sofa, but I tried it with the different ones that came with it. Wasn't impressed. It's just easier overall to use a microfiber cloth with mild detergent, warm water, and wipe down the microfiber sofa. I can always do a video on that. That is a big thing that people have, microfiber furniture, basically any furniture. Easy to clean the dirt off, dirt and dust. Okay, that being said, I then tried this with the attachments that it said in the book for the inside of the oven. I tried it on the bottom of the oven, I tried it on the glass, and I tried it on the door. I tried regular steam and I tried the brushes. Not impressed. It really did nothing except get it wet. I could have done more with a washcloth with the scrubby and the washcloth. So not impressed on that. I did use the floor attachments to do the floor. Basically, it was a little better than a regular mop because you didn't have to wring out any water. It was warm, so anything that was on the floor, it melted. It worked pretty good for that. So I'd give it a thumbs up for that. Then I took it to the downstairs bathroom We tried it on the grout. Not impressed. It really wasn't doing anything. You have to scrub pretty hard. The toilet, here's my thought, and it's pretty disgusting. So it has nothing to do with, I think it's going to be any steamer in general. I'm sure that works really, really good to disinfect. However, the room smells like urine after using it on the toilet. Hot steam spraying just made it smell. And that's not a dirty bathroom. My daughter cleaned that bathroom probably 5 days ago, and it really doesn't get that dirty, but it's a very hot, steamy smell. And you know, steam can make anything smell worse. So I wasn't impressed with that. I'd rather use a cleaner that's going to really disinfect and pick everything up and not put any particles in the air. Now, used it in the shower that we have soapstone tile and pebble floor. It worked to clean the pebble floor and some of the grout on the shower in between the tile, but you have to scrub really, really hard. I think I would rather, and if you don't like cleaners, that's probably a great thing for you. But for me, I'd rather put a cleaner on a brush and a little bit of rubbing, which isn't that hard, and it seems to come a lot cleaner, faster, instead of dragging all this around. Now, if you want it because you don't want to use cleaners, that's probably great. Although I would not use it around a toilet because the smell is just gross and it's putting it in the air. Now, that being said, what I did notice is if you were going to use this, like the book says, and you want to disinfect something, all the germs going around right now that everybody's afraid of, COVID, I really don't know how good it would be to put something in the air. I would rather use bleach water or rubbing alcohol in water because it's not putting anything in the air for me to breathe. And rubbing alcohol and water mixture, which I can always put in the comments down below. Actually, I do it. You can do it 50-50 or 1-3. 1 part rubbing alcohol or 1-2. 1 part rubbing alcohol, 2 parts hot water. Put it in a spray bottle, shake it, and spray it on. It's not a big airborne thing. I could be wrong. I'm not a scientist, but honestly, that's what CDC, I think, has recommended that. Doctors recommend it. So I find that much better. But if you use this for, it says 5 seconds in each spot, maybe that works. To me, it's more cumbersome. I'd rather just carry my bag with a few products, and I'm not getting anything in the air, which I think is way worse than putting a few products in the air. So that being said, for me, this is a fail, and I think that I'm probably going to return this. Definitely a thumbs down, both thumbs down for me. But try it out for yourself. I in no way want to say anything bad about this machine because I'm sure there's a lot of applications that can be used, just not the ones that I really needed it for and what I bought it for. So that being said, thanks for sticking around. I hope this helps you decide whether you want to purchase one or not. Until next time, we'll see you later. Like and subscribe and share, please. Thanks.